Dry skin completely before applying microMend. Remove the first device and avoid touching the adhesive backing. Holding only the white applicator tab, center the device over the wound. Press down, focusing pressure over the microstaple area. While continuing to press down, pull laterally to close the wound and slide your finger across the device. Then press over the microstaple area and pull laterally to remove the tab. Press down over the entire device to ensure proper adhesion. Use the same method to place the second device immediately adjacent to the first. Do not touch the adhesive. Always pull the device laterally across the wound parallel to the skin. Ensure that devices extend to the end of the wound. Complete instructions for use are included in the box.